There you go. Okay. It says graph this function using intercepts. Okay, so I'll show you how they want you to graph it, but you don't have to graph it this way. Well, actually you might have to because it's on IXL. The way they want you to graph it is like this. So to find the x-intercept, you set y equal to 0, and find the x to find the y-intercept, you set x equal to 0. So you set the opposite thing equal to 0. Like, which intercept is this right here? No, like, is it the x-intercept or the y-intercept? Right. So they want you to basically, like, I'm just making up the numbers. They want you to go like that. They want you to go like that and to connect the dots for this problem. Okay. Which um, you could graph this other ways. Yeah, this is the hardest one. Okay, so to find the x-intercept, what do you do again? You set what equal to 0? You might actually. So I'm going to show you the proper. I'm going to do it two ways. All right. All I care about is that you do it the way that gives you success. Yes. 9x plus 2y equals negative 18. Okay. Okay. So, and are you doing it like this? Not like that. Like this. And on both sides like this. Both sides. Not just on one side. Both sides. Do both sides. You got to maintain. It's got to maintain equality. It's like this. If you have a. Well, how do you do it on the right? Okay. That's fine. So, you can't subtract this, but then on the next step, you just go 2y equals negative 9x minus 18. Okay, that's all right. Divide by 2. Go ahead. Yeah. Okay, so then did you do this actual step like this with the 3 like that? Okay, so nothing's wrong so far. So then you have y is equal to, and then leave it like this. Okay, so it's negative 9 over 2 x. Well, I think we're okay. So then minus what? Okay. So then you go down to negative 9 on the y-axis, right? Okay, so here's the problem. And that's why this is not going to work. Okay. All right. That's cool. That's smart, actually. Um, yeah, so if you could go down 9, right? Now I understand why you're asking about this picture here. Okay, so then if you could go down 9, you'd go like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you'd go what? Which direction? So down 9 and then 2 to the what? Yes. And then you would have got it right. Right? Okay, so now look. So your graph is going to go like this. Right? Okay. So now you're going to go up 9. You see this negative right here, by the way? Like 9 over 2, how it's negative? All right. That negative doesn't have to belong to the top. It could belong to the bottom. It's kind of weird, but you could do it like that. You just can't do it on both. Okay, so because that would make a positive divided by negative. What's a positive divided by negative? Okay, and if I had a negative on top, would it still be negative? Yeah, so I can do this. That means I go up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then what? To the left or to the right? Well, it's not still to the left. It was to the left. It was to the right before. See? Wait, so do I go to the left or to the right? So if you were to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you were to do like a pretend graph, like just extend it below and see where it ought to go, then you could kind of also figure it out that way. Okay, can I just show you how they want you to do it? I want to show you how they want you to do it. Because it might be useful in the future. So they want you to graph it using intercepts. This is a section like in Algebra 1, where you have to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. And to do that, you just set each one equal to 0. Okay, so this whole time, by the way, Totally forgot to record. Hold on. No, but I gotta show you intercepts. Hold on. Oh, I am recording this whole time. Oh, awesome. Okay. All right. So, okay, one more time. To find the x-intercept, what do you do? To find the x-intercept, what do you do? No, I know, but I'm showing you the proper way of doing it. Okay, to find the x-intercept, what do you do? No, you set what equal to 0. The opposite letter. To So you set what? So here I'm putting, yeah, 9x plus 2 times 0 equals negative 18. 9x, that's gone, right? 2 times 0 equals negative 18. Divide by 9, divide by 9. X equals negative 2. That goes right here. So then you plot this point, negative 2 comma 0, which is right here. Okay. Now we're going to find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, what do we do? Yes. So you make x 0. So 2y equals negative 18, divide by 2, divide by 2, y equals negative 9. So you go down to negative 9 right here. Boom. And do you remember when you did your up 9 over 2 business? You got those same exact points. So then, but that's how you graph it using intercepts. So this problem is designed for you to graph it using intercepts. You could do it the other way. It's kind of a little bit more work, I guess. So because now you have that, so negative 9. So you put your two spots on both your intercepts, and you're good. Okay, got it?